What is consciousness? Right now, you can see this video. You can hear these words. You can think. You can remember. And you know that you exist. This is called consciousness. But what exactly is it? Imagine your brain is like a computer. It receives information from your eyes, your ears, your nose, your skin, and your tongue. Your brain combines all this information to create your experience of the world. Consciousness is your awareness of everything happening around you and everything happening inside your mind. It allows you to think, make decisions, feel emotions, solve problems, and imagine the future. Scientists still don't fully understand how consciousness works. Some believe it comes from billions of brain cells working together. Others think it's one of the biggest mysteries in science. But one thing is certain. Without consciousness, you couldn't experience love, fear, happiness, music, dreams, or even ask the question, what is consciousness? Your brain is made of billions of tiny cells. Yet somehow, those cells create thoughts, memories, ideas, and your unique sense of self. Consciousness is what makes you, you. And despite all the advances in science, it's still one of the greatest mysteries in the universe.